Hello friends, this video on active and passive voice part 7 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Hello friends, this video on active and passive voice part 11 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now let us talk about some of the negative sentences where we say something no, sentences involving no, not, did not, so things like that. So here are some examples like Ritu doesn't like coffee, I did not attend the party, didn't you write the letter, Anu has not responded to Rita's call. So these are all examples of negative sentences, either statements or questions, but they are all negative. So here your steps will remain the same. It is just that you will have that extra not. That's the only difference. Otherwise, it will remain the same. So let's start with the first example. So here Ritu is the subject, coffee is the object. So our first step would be to interchange the subject and the object. So coffee becomes the subject and Ritu becomes the object. Okay. Now you have does not like. So what is like? Like is in simple present. So how will it get converted into the passive form? It will become is liked. But here does not. So therefore you will have is not liked. So doesn't like will become is not liked. Right? And then third step is by before the doer, which is Ritu. So coffee is not liked by Ritu. So this would be the passive form. Next one, I did not attend the party. So I is the subject, party is the object. So let's interchange the two. So the party by me. So I will become me and in step 3 we will put by. So now only I have put that. In step 2, how do we write this? Did not attend. So for attend, the past participle would be attended. So did not, that means it is in the past tense, right? So in the past tense, how will you write this? Attended, before attended, you will have was because it is in past tense. Here it was in the present tense. So here it would be the party was not attended by me. Didn't you write the letter? That means did not you write the letter? So this is a question. So first of all, think of this question like a statement. You did not write the letter. So in that case, what you will do, the letter will become the subject. The letter was not written. So write, wrote, written. So this will become the letter was not written by you. Now you need to make it into a question. So for that, what you will do, this was has to be shifted here. So was the letter not written by you? So this is one way of writing it. The other way could be was not the letter written by you. Both are correct. Was the letter not written by you or was not the letter written by you? Fourth one is Anu has not responded to Rita's call. So here Rita's call is the object, Anu is the subject. So Rita's call will become the subject, Anu will become the object. So has not responded. So has responded becomes has been responded. So Rita's call has not been responded. And step 3, insert by before the doer. So Rita's call has not been responded by Anu. So you see, you just need to remember those 3 steps to convert a sentence from active to passive. And I believe if you can remember those 3 steps, it becomes very easy for you to convert active voice to passive voice. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.